Today's video brought to you by Plate 22, Logging Subcontractors, Building and Crew.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? So, I wanted to take a moment. We got a little, I'm back up here so where y'all can see me. We got a little package here. I wanted to take a moment and do a shout out to a great company that's here in Pennsylvania. And let me cut some of this white strapping out of the way and show you who just this company is and make a mess in the process. So, this is the group right here I want to mention. You see them on there without the glare. Stalls. That's Sawmill and Logging Supplies. We got a phone number and we got a website there. They are awesome. I mentioned them before, but I wanted to do an actual formal shout out to them because these guys are great. They carry wonderful products. They are always very good about getting them out and getting them shipped out reasonably quick. I mean, sometimes it's scary quick. They're just awesome people to work with, man. They're fair priced. They are they're just good all around. I don't know what else to say about the whole situation. They're just awesome. So if you guys are in the market for some sawmill or logging supplies, I highly recommend you visit their website or give them a call. They're good people. They're here in Eastern PA. Ooh, watch your toes now. Hopefully nothing fragile in there. Alright, so let's see what kind of goodies I got from them. Because this was a big order. Oh yeah, got a case of Husky oil. 2-stroke oil. Let's see what we got here. They have a good price on that. And there we have it. What size did I get? I got the 6.4 ounce bottles because I mix 4 gallons of gas at a time, but I use 2 bottles. That's enough for 5 gallons, making it about 40 to 1. I'm running a little bit richer now due to the situation of our fuel. Oh yeah, we got some saw chain, some 84 drive length, 50 gauge, 72 LGX, Oregon. That's what I run in my saws. It's great stuff. They have an awesome price on these. And for all the prices and everything, you just go on their website, they got it all. And if something on there you don't see, I would not hesitate to call them. Because if they don't have it, which I find it hard to believe, I'm sure they can get it. Sorry, I heard somebody outside, I thought. We got us a brand new Sugihara bar. Now let's open it up and show you, because the package is not real whoa, I say. I don't know, everybody does these unboxings and they say what awesome videos they are, so we figure we unbox. Oh, behold the shininess. Brand new Sugihara, 24-inch, 50 gauge bar. Part number on that, VT3U-OQ62. I like them, I really do. I really do. Some people don't, some people do. I like them. Let's put it this way, they're the most affordable lightweight bar and the durability of them is very good. I'm still interested to see when Canon's going to come out with theirs. I don't know what they're waiting for. And of course, to go with it, replacement tip, just in case for some reason I jam the tip up. And they sell those there with the rivets. And yes. Last but not least, yeah, this is it. order two. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I gotta check my order. Either way, we have Save Edge chainsaw files. I like these files. The reason I like these files is they're aggressive, and then you see on the end there the tang. It's very thick, so they don't bend when you really, if you scull your chain, you really got to get on it, sharpen it. They don't bend. So I get to put all these away here pretty soon. Got some bubble wrap. Everybody loves bubble wrap if you have kids, or if you're a kid at heart like me. So I ordered a bunch of chains, not a ton, but enough to get me through for a while. And I got the oil and everything. And here we go. So once again, I will show you this. So if you guys want any of this cool stuff or looking for anything like this, these are the people to talk to, in my opinion. They're very good. They carry a broad selection of just about everything. So get on there, and then if you talk to any of them guys, make sure you've seen it here on the video. I don't think they know that I'm doing this video. Matter of fact, I'm sure they don't. Hopefully, I don't think they'll care. But yeah, tell them you saw it here on Nuts 319, and I recommended you. And if they ask, well, who's that? Send them to the channel. All right, everybody. Hope you all enjoy, and check them out. And hope you're all staying safe.